Alright, I hope you solved the exercise, but don't worry if your map looks a bit different from mine. Anyway, here are my markers, circle markers actually, and I have green, orange, or red and orange markers. You get the idea, and they also have some sort of opacity. So I have set an opacity value of 0.7, which means 70% to them. As you see, you can see the marker that is underneath this one here. Anyway, here is the code. So let me explain what I changed from the original code. So I changed marker to circle marker. The location remains the same. Also pop-up attribute remains the same. And then I added a radius here of 6, which means 6 pixels. That's the size of those circle markers. Then I added a fill color. The fill color attribute is for the inner area of the circle. So you see this orange area, but you also have this outer color here, which I set to gray, and you do that with the color argument. So color equals to gray for all of the markers. The default color would be black, which I think is a bit heavy for the eye. Anyway, here is the fill opacity. For the transparency, I set it to 0.7. And that's it. I hope this is clear now, and I'll talk to you later.